Ben's couch. It's Ben's couch.
Yeah, he's got a leaf or something.
Yeah, he's eating all the leaves off the top of the tree there.
Yeah, you can see. Kind of hard without a tripod, but.
Eating a leaf or?
Yeah.
Actually, the leaf itself or the stem?
It looks like the leaf. The leaf's all full of holes, right? Maybe it's just a stem. But,
I know, yeah, it's not like he's really eating a leaf, is it?
Oh, the psycho helicopter pilot back. Or, he's back. Was back. Where'd he go? I just saw him flying up beside the house here. He's like totally sideways. So yet again, I can't see any markings on this helicopter, which is unbelievably strange and probably illegal. Now, where'd he go? There he is. See if he does any stunts for us today. Focus, you bugger. Looks like he's just doing circles around here. Come on, do some stunts. He was really hot dogging it a couple minutes ago. Ghetto birds. Even out here on the beach. Barbecue time. Is that the special sauce again? Yeah. I think so. Got Steve and the special sauce. Oh, you're gonna try and turn those little things? They go for a bit and then they're... You don't...
Gotta keep them on this.
Is it done? Wings?
Raw inside.
No, I'll say it's done. Hot. Horny now.
Oh, as in like, not. So caliente?
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 What's that mean?
Very hot. Mucho means very.
Mucho.
Mucho.
Oh.
Much.
Mucho. Mucho hot.
And you go, mucho caliente.
Trust me, they're mucho.
As your eyes are watering.
No,
this is not gringo salsa.
They're spicy. They're mucho caliente.
Okay.
I got it.
Mucho caliente.
Mucho caliente. I'm learning. Check it out. Sit down.
Oh no, I had one of these.
Sit down.
They're perfect. Oh.
That's comfy, eh?
Dude.
That's comfy. And you got your little like cup holder. Oh yeah. You just gotta put your
better.
put your beer right there.
Mucho gracias,
Yeah,
señor.
senor.
Mucho gracias.
Senor. Looking good, looking good.
Peas coming out.
Try one of the wings.
Oh, we will. I just want to
Oh, I dare you. I dare you. Try one of the wings.
No, thanks. I don't like wings.
You don't like wings? Oh, they're pretty scary.
She'll scare you with the faces she makes.
Yeah, well,
They're hot?
I made the faces too, so.
They're real hot?
Yeah. Well, they're not too hot. They're
Not bad.
average.
It's just buffalo wings.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's not hot. You don't think that's hot? I was burning those. You're crazy.
A little camera?
Yeah, it's a little camera.
Mm-hmm.
You're crazy,
That's Frank's.
Steve, you're crazy, buddy.
No, it's Frank's. Hot sauce.